Hello guys, this is Tushar, the creator of Nature of Singapore. In this phase, you all guys will see the nature of Singapore and you will know that why Singapore is the best for the visitor. Singapore is the best places for the visitor because of its safe environment and safe rules and regulations. You see every corner and every building is well decorated and controlled by CCTV cameras. And you see that there are many trees and plants. Every day the authority will take care of the environment and they want to know how the people of this area are living here. If there are any problem they face, anytime within a minute they come and solve the problem. Whatever you want, whoever you are, they will not justify. They just want to know what the problem you face and they solve. You see the nature, the plant, the lighting, the trees, the roadside, everything is well decorated. And every road go to the every block. You see the communication system is also very good. Now I'm staying at Braddell 10p and you are going to see the places of 10p Braddell, which is also very important place of Singapore. And this is by the way, this is a condominium in Singapore. There are three types of addresses, three types of places where you can live. The first one is HDB, and second one condominium, and the third one dormitory. HDB is totally controlled by the government of Singapore, and this is very expensive. And another one is the condominium. Condominium is controlled by some agent, which was also controlled by government, but not directly, indirectly controlled by the government. But some authority take the responsibility of the condominium and they always try to control the condominium. And in the condominium you will get the best facilities, benefits of living. Every facilities you will get in the condominium, and every corner and every side you can get the best facilities. There is not anything problem you can face in one corner and another corner you will get the facilities. It's not happening in Singapore. So you see where I live, this is 10p, which is very nice to live, and I get very nice facilities in every corner. You also see that there is the environment. Besides every block and every building you will see the nature. And apart from this, behind the every building there is a small road for every people. You can go here and there. You can use the main road by using this road, and you can go. You see, it's look like a park, but you cannot understand this is not park, this is also living area. But everywhere you can get the feelings of a park because it is Singapore. That's why I suggest you, if you have enough money, you come here and visit the Singapore because of its safe environment. But it is true that in Singapore everything is very expensive, so before coming here you will need to arrange more money because of its expensiveness. So thanks to my every fan, you will get more videos about Singapore and other area. One by one I will show you. Thank you so much.